I'm reviewing the situation and reliving Suncoast Remake Learning Days. 380 events and gatherings with creative things to do and fun displays. There were stories told and STEAM events for ladies, children, and the gents, and improv shows and art displays and water dancing by the bay, and jubilation in the parks and telescopes out after dark. And wait, there's more, I'll have to start again. I'm reviewing the situation and reliving Suncoast Remake Learning Days. There were thousands participating. Events were fun and free, so no one had to pay. There were puppet shows and history, exploring bug anatomy, and cooking class and big trucks too, and things to make and things to glue, and eco-fests and movie shows, and families learning from the pros. Yeah! And wait, there's more, I'll have to start again.
And the caiman lizard here, they typically only live 10 to 15 years.
We're making nature buttons. The kids can either color them, or we can pick our own scavengers and put them in our buttons.
So grateful for everything that Patterson Foundation does, and these Remake Learning Days are so wonderful. And it helps us get to know a little bit more about our community, so thank you.
All right, so my scientists, good morning and welcome to Milk Marine Laboratory and Remake Learning Days. So we're going to explore this beautiful habitat that we're fortunate to have right here in our backyard.
You know what I love about this is adults and kids. It's the parents, families, and caregivers out here with me. But it's families learning together, which is what Remake Learning Days is all about, discovering new passions, new interests, connecting with the learning landscape of this amazing place called Sarasota.
Crabs can see 360 degrees. Oh. So they can see all the way around them, just like your parents can.
This hit is definitely our scarf wall over here, and the best part is to see the parents getting involved and how excited they are to play and learn. Our light ride is also a huge hit over here. We have our massive light ride, and then of course all of our gears and everything they can play with. So it's really great to see the parents jump in and get involved as well.
Alyssa here from Music Compound, and
Mariana with Music Compound,
and we are hosting our family music classes with Remake Learning Days today.
We're at Cool Today Park today, and we, Sarasota County Parks, Recreation, Natural Resources, and Land of Braves, invite you to Big Truck Day. Big trucks, little trucks, climb on the trucks, honk the horn. There is something for everybody. It is an amazing day. Tons of activities, lots of fun.
What's your favorite big truck? Monster truck. Monster truck.
This truck itself jumped over a 727 airplane.
We love partnering with the Patterson Foundation. I mean, this is what it's all about.
We find new friends, and we find new activities that we can do with our children and new ways to learn together. And that was all sparked by Remake Learning Days and the Patterson Foundation.
They're building a nest, an eagle nest, essentially, the same way that an eagle would do it.
Here to feature one of our most popular shows, Wild Crack.
I heard parents talking about how wonderful it is, because anytime they can interact with the children while they're doing an activity, it just adds to the family taste of it. So the parents are loving it simply because they are involved as their children are involved.
We're at Art Center Sarasota. We're here with the Garbage Men, and we're making shakers to play along with the music they're making.
Just sounded like a fun day. Come out, get the kids, do art, make instruments, see the Garbage Men. I mean, can't beat it.
I'm Erin. I'm the director of Mangrove School of Sarasota, and we are making ropes by hand with a rope winder. And so the kids are each choosing their colors of yarn and then winding them with a little bit of, as you said, manual labor. Winding, very beautiful. We're gonna bring it all the way up here. Excellent. It really just gives us a chance to meet new folks, to share what we're doing, and just to be able to have that supported by the Patterson Foundation is an incredible, incredible opportunity. It's so beautiful. They're all so pretty.
We are here at Lamarck Elementary School. Tell us what you did to make Remake Learning Days so incredibly special.
Well, the teachers went according to the standards and they transformed the hallways into the rainforest. We have the Arctic down the hall. Downstairs is the ocean.
In front of every classroom, you can see a different ocean animal.
We're in the rainforest, and you're going over to another park, to Big Cat Habitat, which is on the other side.
We have Cream, he is a boa constrictor, and we have Albert, he's an American alligator.
There's so many things to learn with these creatures. This is a cockatiel.
They're always asking if they're real because they've never seen a bird this exotic in real life.
There you go. There you go. His name is Pino.
And I've trained them all to step up to everyone.
Yeah, it's just so special. Congratulations.
Yes,
it's
thank
really
you.
Wonderful.
Yes, thank you to the Patterson Foundation.
I am Chris Cushman. I'm the Executive Director of the Miracle League of Minnesota. And today is our first hitting clinic that we've ever put on. It's a wonderful opportunity, and we're just having a lot of fun, hitting different stations and getting some tips from the Cardinal Mooney baseball team.
How do you feel about that when you leave?
Super good. You know, it's awesome. Especially when the kids are smiling, they're all having fun. Like all the different ages, they're all loving it. It just makes you feel so much better.
Big hit, Whalen, big hit. Thank you, Patterson Foundation. You guys have been involved with us for a number of years. We're so appreciative of everything that you guys do for us.
Well done.
Today we are having Barnyard Bash at Arcadia Housing Authority. We have a mini cow, a milking cow, and a cow in a trailer.
And who is this?
This is Lucy.
Lucy's providing us with the milk today.
She got her name tag.
What is it about this that you like so much?
The excitement of something different and something educational, fun and free.
Hoping that today the kids will understand and learn about farmers and where their food comes from, and that like their milk doesn't just come from Publix or Walmart. Squeeze at the top so you can, you're pinching it off up here so it doesn't go back up. So squeeze at the top and then, yep. So it won't hurt you.
Somebody's trying to milk a cow
and the milk might not have gone in the bucket.
Borrowed the idea from some other former Remake Learning Days hosts to do a Publix math night. It was important for us to tie a Remake Learning Days event to some of our goals for the school, and math, improving math skills is one of them. We reached out to Publix and they were really, really generous, the Publix at Fruitville Farms, to welcome us into their store and provide food and goodie bags and all kinds of things so that the families could enjoy their time while they're doing some math.
How many individual pouches are inside one box? Can you read it on there?
10 pouches.
10 pouches. There you go.
629.
Well, they just learned what pounds are.
2 pounds.
All right, there we go. LBs, how to do pounds. And then they're working on their multiplication, addition, and also on finding different parts of navigating a grocery store, right? An important skill in life.
So, that's brownie ring. Nope, that's brownie ring.
More importantly, it's mom and dad time, reading and math together, so it's a great place, and we're just thankful for Publix for doing it.
That it was interactive. It wasn't just answering the questions on a piece of paper.
Here it's coming to life. They're calculating, they're making educated decisions about what to buy, what not to buy.
It's wonderful. I love when schools get out and you get to experience a bit more with your kiddo during the week, learn things together. I love that a school does this for the community. It's wonderful.
Thank you, because I think a lot of kids can learn from this, and it's like really fun, and it's like a life lesson.
The Bishop does a grand thing by making their museum available to everybody in the community for free. Well, this is special for me because we know that grade level reading is so important. We have wonderful partners here that are throughout the community, and they contribute to helping all of our children learn how to read.
All right, this is yours to keep. There you go. Have fun.
Okay, what's happening?
We are at Fed City Comic Professionals for Free Comic Book Day.
And it's just a big event where people can come and get a free book and get into reading. Batman is still huge, Spider-Man is still huge, everybody loves Invincible these days. That's kind of the big one because of the Amazon show. And they love the Japanese manga comics. Those are awesome too.
So today you're at the Little Discovery Center in downtown Bradenton, which is a library branch of Manatee County. We do all kinds of events throughout the year, and I would say the remake one is by far the biggest one that we do. The theme this year is superheroes. Mega Bash.
I was so excited to come here for Superhero Day.
And tell me who you are today.
I'm Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Hey, oh my goodness.
You know, being able to paint something like a mobile roving canvas. Kids have to learn how to navigate art that already might be on the bus. So at first you kind of see kids looking for that blank space where they can put their artwork, but then they realize, oh, it's okay, I can add to this. This is a community art piece. I can add to this figure or draw lines inside this heart, and and they sort of have this permission to be really creative.
It'll be great if you can whittle in the middle of your legs or to the side of your legs, okay?
Raise your hand if this is your first time at the auction. Wow.
I mean, I think, you know, the subject matter sells itself, but we're excited to have so many kids here learning about the adoption process.
And it's a great thing for our kids to learn about taking care of animals. And this is so fun.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
We are so grateful to the Patterson Foundation for doing this in our community every year. It just brings in new people, gives us an opportunity to participate in humane education in our community, and connects more kids with cats, and that's our mission.
Have you named your kitty? Super. Oh.
Sparkles the cat.
My children go to Tuttle Elementary, but they came here tonight to this event because they missed the one last night at their school. So they wanted to go. They're having lots of fun.
Yeah.
Get together with the kids, get out of the house, stop looking at the TV, stop looking at the iPad.
I'm reviewing the situation and reliving Suncoast Remake Learning Days. Collaboration and celebration, lifting learning up in oh so many ways. There were gaming, esports, story times with songs to sing and rhymes to rhyme, and paper circuits, building blocks, and soaring for and nature walks, and dancing robot sharks and song with joy and learning all week long.
It's so
Next year we'll get to do it all again. Hey!
Next year?